Hello everyone, today with MarketXLS we're going to talk about a guru screen called the Lynch Screen. MarketXLS is one of the top Excel-based investment research solutions for investors. In this video we'll be discussing what a Lynch Screen is, how it works, and how we can screen stocks using MarketXLS. So without any further ado, let's start with the topic. The Lynch Screen is based on the bottom-up investing style of Peter Lynch. In examining a company, Peter Lynch seeks to understand the firm's business and prospects, including any competitive advantages, and evaluate any potential pitfalls that may prevent the favorable story from occurring. He categorizes companies into slow growers, stalwarts, and fast growers. Slow growers are companies with the scope of growing at a steady pace forever as external factors like wars, elections, and rising interest rates do not affect them. Stalwarts are large companies with annual earnings growth rates of around 10% to 12% who can still grow. Fast growers are small, aggressive new firms with annual earnings growth of 20% to 25% a year. MarketXLS offers a template for this strategy and a function too. Here's an introduction page for the template, and here's the active template. On this page, the information about the stock ticker has to be inputted by the user. And for the purpose of this video, we'll be using eBay. As you can see, this stock meets the criteria of the slow grower. The meets criteria is written in green in the results box. If the stock does not meet the criteria, you would see a red does not meet criteria in that same box. For this and all the guru screens with MarketXLS, all the related values of the quantitative factors are automatically calculated once the ticker input is added by the user. MarketXLS has many guru screen templates just like the one you see here, and it calculates all the data when you enter the stock ticker. That is all for today. MarketXLS also has guru screen functions that filter through all the stocks to get you the ones that fit in the criteria. If you want to read more about this topic, please visit the MarketXLS website, which has hundreds of blogs and templates. If you want to get in contact with us, please book a demo and we'll be happy to help.